Okay, so in another lesson, we covered some basic uh, Git functionality, mostly commits and branching. And today we're going to go into a little bit more detail with branching and also cover merging. So this um, Git tutorial is very helpful, so I'm just going to use this for today's tutorial. So basic branching and merging. I'll go over the example real quick and then we'll sort of get into the details. So basically we have a Git repository and we're going to do work on a website, uh, create a branch for a new story we're working on, do some work in that branch, and then at that point we're going to receive a call that another issue is critical and you need a hotfix. So when that happens, we'll have to switch back to our master branch, or they call it the production branch here. We'll create a branch to add the hotfix. And then after it's tested, we'll merge the hotfix branch and push to production. And then we'll switch back to our original story, continue working. So we've already covered some branching stuff, but basically we're going to imagine that we have a commit history that looks like this, and we are on the master branch. So to start working on our issue, so in whatever tracking system we're using, we're just going to say that's issue 53. And we're going to say git checkout-b issue 53. And this checkout-b both creates a new branch called issue 53 and switches you to that branch. So basically, once that happens, we have this new issue 53 branch pointing to the commit that master was pointing to, and now we have switched to it. So basically, the head file is now pointing to this issue 53 branch. So once we're on the issue 53 branch, we'll make some changes. In this case, it's to the index.html file. Then we'll commit those changes, specifying the -a to add everything in this directory. And then we will now have a history that looks like this right here. So we were on our issue 53 branch was pointing to commit 2 previously, but now we have a third commit that is now pointing to. And so now we're going to imagine that we get the call about the production issue. So we'll need to fix it immediately. So to do this, we're going to check out master, and then we're going to check out a new branch from master called hotfix. So we'll basically fix the production issue and then create a commit off of master. We're going to check out master and then create a new branch called hotfix, make the changes, make a commit on that branch, and then we have our hotfix here. And so at this point, we're going to want to merge our hotfix into master. So we'll check out master and then we'll merge the hotfix. So notice that commit 2 here, which is what master is pointing at, is an immediate ancestor of commit 4. So what we can do here, once we check out master and then we run the git merge hotfix, all that's going to happen is this pointer is going to be what's called fast forwarded to this commit. So no work is going to happen except that the commit that this branch is pointing to is going to change, and it's going to point to C4 now. And we'll see that right here. So now, after we have pushed the hotfix to production, we can start working on, continuing our work on issue 53. So looks like in this example, we're going to imagine that we create another commit, and also notice that the hotfix branch has been deleted because it's no longer necessary. And Now, once we finish work on issue 53 here, we're going to want to merge this into master. So when we do this, we're going to want to, when we merge issue 53 into master, we're going to want to check out master, and then we're going to merge issue 53 into master. Now, notice that the commit that master is pointing to is not an immediate ancestor of the commit that issue 53 is pointing to. So in order to merge these two, we're going to have to do a little bit more work. So if we scroll down here, we'll see that we check out master, and then we try and merge issue 53. So before, what happened is that we got a message that said that it fast forwarded for us. So you see here, it says fast forward. Now, if you scroll down to this merge, it does not say fast forward, and it says merge made by the recursive strategy. So if we scroll down a little bit more, we'll see that Git does a three-way merge here. So it's going to use the two snapshots pointed to by the branch tips that we're trying to merge, and then the common ancestor of the two. So you'll see the common ancestors here, C2, and then we will have C5, which we want to basically merge in to C4 here. So if we scroll down, we'll see what happens here is that all that we do is that we create a new commit that this is called a merge commit that points to both the C5 and the C4 commits. So a merge commit is special in that it has two parents. So yes, I think that should cover this video. Yeah, so see you next time.